Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Sumo Gel, easy method. Clean and dry the surface thoroughly, then apply a thin, even bead of Sumo Gel. Press parts together with gentle, consistent pressure and remove any excess immediately with a damp cloth. Let the gel cure undisturbed for the manufacturer's recommended time, and avoid loading the joint until fully set to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Prepare everything you need before you open the tube, so the process flows smoothly and you don't rush. Put on gloves and set down an applicator, cloth, and rubbing alcohol for cleaning. Test fit components first, then clean and dry the surfaces thoroughly to remove oils or dust. Having one hand free to steady parts helps when you squeeze and spread the gel and minimizes mistakes for a neater finish. When applying Sumo Gel, less is often more, so use a steady hand and apply a modest bead where the bond is needed. Smooth the gel with a small brush or spatula so coverage is even and there are no air pockets. Align the parts carefully and hold or clamp them until the gel sets enough to maintain position. Clean any excess immediately and follow safety guidance for disposal and ventilation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.